In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an announcement in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic feature for sharing important updates, news, or essential information with your entire team or a specific group in a clear, eye-catching format. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure your messages get the attention they deserve. To begin, open up your Microsoft Teams application and make sure you're logged in. You'll want to navigate to the left-hand side of your screen where you see the main navigation pane. Here you'll find various icons and options like chat, activity, calendar, and more. Look for the Communities option. This section is where you manage and interact with all the different groups, teams, or channels you're a part of, serving as the central hub for your team communications. Clicking on Communities will display a list of all the different groups you have access to, allowing you to select the specific one where you intend to share your important announcement. Always double-check to choose the correct community to ensure your message reaches the intended audience effectively. Once you've successfully selected the relevant community, you'll be brought into its main feed or channel, where all the conversations and posts occur. Here you'll typically see a text box at the bottom of the screen, where you can usually type a new message. To create an announcement, however, we need to use a special, more prominent format. Instead of simply typing in the regular message box, look for the Format button, which often looks like an A with a pen, or a similar icon designed to expand your compose options. Click this button, and you'll see several choices appear. From these options, select Announcement. This action will visibly transform your standard message box into a distinctive announcement banner, specifically preparing it for a visually impactful message. Now that you've switched to the announcement format, you'll immediately notice a dedicated field at the top, clearly labeled Headline. This is a supremely crucial element for your announcement, as it's the very first thing your audience will see, and it needs to grab their attention. Think of it as the bolded subject line of an important email, but even more impactful and visible within the Teams feed. Type a clear, concise, and attention-grabbing headline here that immediately conveys the main topic or purpose of your announcement. Keep it brief and to the point. For example, if you're announcing a new project, a strong headline might be Urgent, New Project Kickoff Meeting, or Company Update, Important Policy Change. A well-crafted headline ensures your message stands out vividly in a busy channel. Below the main headline field, you'll find another section specifically designated for a subheading. This provides an excellent opportunity to add a bit more context or a brief summary that further elaborates on your headline without diving straight into the full details of your primary message. The subheading acts as a helpful bridge, giving recipients a little more information about what to expect before they commit to reading the entire body of the announcement. It serves to clarify the announcement's purpose and can further entice your audience to engage with the full content. Use this space wisely to provide a concise, supplementary detail that complements your headline and adds immediate value, helping to frame the upcoming information. Next, move on to the larger text area, which is the main message body. This is where you'll type the core content of your announcement. This section is the heart of your communication, so it's vital to ensure your message is clear, thorough, and easy to understand for everyone. Provide all necessary details, relevant context, and any specific calls to action that you need your team to take. Remember to structure your message well. Consider using short, focused paragraphs to improve readability and prevent it from appearing as a dense block of text. While specific formatting like bolding or bullet points isn't mentioned in this script, remember that Microsoft Teams offers various text formatting tools to help you emphasize key information within your message. Always proofread carefully to avoid any errors before sending, as this is where your audience will find all the crucial information. Finally, once you are completely satisfied with your headline, subheading, and the main message body, ensuring all the information is accurate and perfectly conveyed, it's time to send it out to your community. Look for the Post button, which is typically located at the bottom right of the Compose window. Before you click it, take one last quick moment to review everything for accuracy, clarity, and overall impact. Are there any typos or grammatical errors? Is all the necessary information included? Is the tone appropriate? Once you're absolutely confident that your announcement is perfect, go ahead and click Post. Your announcement will then be immediately published to the selected community channel, making it instantly visible to all members. This ensures everyone receives your important message promptly and efficiently, keeping your team well informed.